boy is Benihana.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or just welcome if you haven't been on my channel before. Today's video is a tutorial on this bitchy wing look, which I saw on Norvina's Instagram page. I think it's a perfect kind of wing look for me because I do have hooded eyes. So instead of having just a really thin winged liner, we've gone really thick winged liner and made it so it's a bit more wearable for people with hooded eyes. So it's not distorting the shape of the wing when you're opening your eyes. And of course, because this is a Norvina look, I knew I had to use my Norvina palette. I only got this recently. I was tossing up between this palette and the Riviera palette, which is their latest release. In the end, I decided on the Norvina palette because a lot of the shades in the Riviera palette I already had, and also because I wanted the shade which is this color here. So I'm going to be bringing a look to you guys with that shade next, but today's look is a little bit more neutral, and I've paired it with a dark burgundy red lipstick just to add a little bit more drama to the look, and I really love it. I'm really happy with the way it's turned out. I feel good. I feel good. I feel like I look good. So yeah, that's always good. Yeah. Anyway, if you guys would like to see how I created this look, then please keep on watching. Alright, so I'm starting off with my eyebrows done and carved out. I've also put some tape next to my eye to be a template for the winged liner, and I've applied concealer to my eyelid to be an eyeshadow base, and I haven't set the concealer. I'm leaving that wet. The first thing that we're going to do is I'm taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina palette, and I'm going in with this shade here, which is called Eccentric, and I'm popping it on this fluffy blending brush, and I'm going to be applying this to the crease and blending it outwards to be the transition shade. Now I'm going to be darkening up the crease using this shade here, which is called Volatile, and I'm putting that on the small domed crease brush, and I'm just going to concentrate it on the inner half of the eye because we're going to be adding in our black in the outer third anyway, so we don't want to be doing too much on that part of the eye. Okay, so we've got the crease colors on, and we're going to be adding some shimmer into the inner half of the eye. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the small eyeshadow brush and I'm going to spray it with Fix Plus, and then I'm going to dip it into this shade here, which is called Summer, and just applying that to the inner half of the eye and working my way out. Now I'm going to be taking my Kat Von D tattoo liner, and this is in the shade Trooper Black, and I'm going to be winging it out and just going to be choosing the point where my wing's going to end, and then I'm going to be changing products. Okay, I decided I'm going to use the same product for the next step because I want the line to be as defined as possible. So now I'm going to connect the outer corner of the winged liner into where I've got this gold here to create this thick, really thick wing. Now that I have the outline done, I'm going to be taking my waterproof cream colour in Jet, and this is by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm putting it on the small liner brush, and I'm going to fill in this wing and then try to blend the black into the gold. Now it's time to remove our tape and do the rest of our face. Okay, now I'm gonna go do my foundation, etc., and I will be back. Okay, so I've done my face makeup, and now to bring the crease colours under the eye to smoke out the lower lash line. So same two colours, same two brushes. Yeah. Now I'm just going to take a brown eyeliner, so I'm just taking this brown eyeliner by NYX, and I'm just going to use that to line my waterline. Now I'm going to take this shade here, which is called Dreamer, and I'm just going to put that on a small eyeshadow brush, and I'm just using this to highlight my tear duct and my brow bone. Now I'm just going to take that same shade and use that to highlight the rest of my face. But to do the rest of my face, I'm going to use this fluffy highlighting brush, and I'm going to give it a little spray with Fix Plus just to make it shine a little bit more. Now for some mascara, and the mascara that I'm using is my Armani Eccentrico mascara. And on my lips, I'm going to be using this lip pencil by NYX, and this is in Plum Prune. And then I'm going to be taking my Diva lipstick by MAC. Last thing now is just some lashes, and the lashes that I'm going to be using are these Faux Mink lashes by XO Beauty, and these ones are gone. These ones are in the style Exotic. I'm going to put these on off camera, and then I'll be back to show you how it looks. Okay, and here is the completed look. Hope you guys have enjoyed the video. If you did, then please thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications if you don't want to miss any videos from me. Yeah. If you haven't done it already, then check out my Instagram. I'll put the link below for you guys. I'll also put the links to my other social media accounts there if you guys are interested in those as well. If you do recreate this look, then please tag me in it. I would love to see it. And I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.